They were like old speakers. Eventually, when I got to like standard 8, I forced the school to buy a whole new system. Then they bought us like 180,000 rand system. Like,
No.
with DJ, with turntables, everything. I was more of a music person from the time when I got to school, even go primary, you know. My dad bought me drums when I was like, I didn't even know what they really were for. I was in the choir and I tried to play violin and trombone. That didn't go down too well, but I was more interested in the drums. So I was doing audio-visual as well.
What's that, Nobens?
Yeah.
Hey, so Nobens was in the...
No, who you are?
98, audio visual.
Yeah.